Welcome! In front of me I have Wihitngs Move, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Withings Health Mate application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the application, we need to tap on Devices icon, and this should bring you to the device page for your Withings Move. Now, tap on the All Settings, here scroll down, and tap on this big red Dissociate this product button. Then tap on Remove from my account. Once you see the device page being empty, you can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In Settings, tap on Bluetooth, then find the Move D3 on the list of devices, our watch. It should be on the list of my devices, basically. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to confirm, and it should disappear from the list of my devices. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.